Coming up this week on Talk with Audrey, Deborah Hersman, the president and CEO of the National Safety Council, recently released their report, The Road to Zero. It's a vision for achieving zero roadway deaths by 2050 and a guide to give the U.S. a comprehensive blueprint for eliminating preventable crash deaths. And the Cooking Cardiologist, Dr. Richard Collins, has tips to help us change up our tried and true recipes to make them healthier for us without forfeiting flavor and to reduce your risk of heart disease. With warmer temperatures right around the corner, there's no better time than now to make some changes and spring into a healthier lifestyle. Lifestyle expert Brooke Parkhurst has her tips and tools to help us embrace healthy habits at home and on the go. It's all coming up this week on Talk with Audrey. Insightful, intelligent, and inspiring conversations and information to help you improve the quality of your life. I'll be right back.